Welcome to the Teacher's Lounge, a podcast dedicated to providing real-life resources for early education professionals. The Teacher's Lounge is hosted by Noelle Dentino and Jessica Day. Together, they bring almost 50 years of combined experience in and out of the early education classroom, offering a wealth of knowledge and practical insights that you need now if you're in childcare. Whether you're a new assistant or making the leap from lead teacher to director, we have you covered. Join us as we delve into the unique challenges and opportunities of each role, sharing our experiences and expertise with practical tools to help you succeed. So, grab a cup of coffee or your favorite drink, and let's jump into the lounge.
Welcome to the Teacher's Lounge. I'm Jessica Day. In this podcast episode titled How to Be a Mentor, a step-by-step guide for early education program teachers, we're going to delve into the crucial elements of effective mentorship within early education programs. Whether you're a lead teacher aiming to support newcomers or an experienced educator seeking to inspire others positively, this podcast serves as your ultimate guide. Join us as we explore practical steps, effective strategies, and offer valuable insights that will equip you to excel as a mentor. Prepare to tap into your own potential and that of your mentees, fostering a nurturing, collaborative atmosphere conducive to professional growth and achievement. Let's embark on this mentoring journey and make a lasting impact in the lives of both educators and young learners. Being a mentor in an early education program is a rewarding opportunity to support and guide new teachers or assistants as they embark on their journey. As a mentor, you have the power to shape the professional development and success of your mentee. In this step-by-step guide, we will explore the essential aspects of being an effective mentor. Let's get into it. Step 1. Building a strong foundation. Establish rapport. Create a welcoming environment by initiating conversations about backgrounds and interests. Set clear expectations. Discuss and align goals and boundaries to ensure a shared understanding. Step 2. Understanding your mentee's goals. Have open discussions. Engage in honest conversations to identify strengths, weaknesses, and career aspirations. Set SMART goals. Collaborate on specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Step 3. Supporting and guiding your mentee. Share experiences. Offer relevant insights and practical advice from your experience. Provide resources. If you are a member of the Teacher's Lounge, direct them to valuable resources like courses and materials found in our on-demand portal. Encourage reflection. Foster reflective practice and provide constructive feedback for improvement. Step 4. Fostering professional growth. Encourage self-directed learning. Motivate exploration of professional opportunities and resources. Model effective practices. Showcase effective teaching strategies during observations. Encourage collaborative development projects. Encourage joint projects or lesson planning sessions where both mentor and mentee can collaborate on designing innovative teaching methods or educational initiatives. Step 5. Reflecting on the journey. Conduct regular check-ins. Schedule regular meetings for progress and support. Seek feedback. Encourage giving and receiving feedback to improve the mentoring process. Reflect and adapt. Flexibility is key. Reflect and adjust to meet the changing needs. Being a mentor in an early education program is a privilege and an opportunity to make a lasting impact on the growth and development of new teachers or assistants. By following the step-by-step guide, you can create a nurturing and supportive environment that empowers your mentees to thrive and succeed in their educational journey. Remember, your guidance and dedication can shape the future of early education. As a mentor to new teachers or teacher assistants in an early education program, there are key aspects to consider to be effective. As an early education lead teacher, you can serve as a role model by showcasing professionalism, dedication, and a genuine passion for early education. The foundation of open communication and trust is vital for fostering a supportive environment where mentees feel at ease expressing their thoughts, concerns, and ideas. To provide effective guidance, it is essential to understand the unique needs of each mentee and tailor your approach accordingly. Ask them how they learn best so you can mentor them using that method to deliver information. Setting clear expectations and goals, offering constructive feedback, and encouraging reflective practices can help mentees grow and improve their teaching methods. Additionally, supporting their professional development by recommending relevant resources, promoting collaboration, and networking, and celebrating their achievements are vital aspects of being a mentor. Being an effective mentor in an early education program requires leading by example, establishing open communication, building trust, providing personalized guidance, setting clear expectations, offering constructive feedback, supporting professional development, fostering collaboration, and celebrating success. By following these guidelines, you can create a nurturing and empowering mentoring relationship that supports the growth and success of new teachers or teacher assistants. Marilyn, an experienced lead teacher in an early education program that we have worked with, was excited to welcome Susan, a new co-teacher, to their classroom. Recognizing the opportunity to support Susan's professional growth, Marilyn took on the role of a mentor. She understood that being an effective mentor involved applying certain steps to her mentoring process. First, Marilyn focused on building a positive mentoring relationship. She warmly welcomed Susan and took the time to get to know her, creating a comfortable atmosphere for open communication. They discussed their teaching philosophies, goals, and aspirations, establishing a solid foundation of trust and rapport. Next, Marilyn assessed Susan's needs and goals. Through conversations and observation, Marilyn gained insight into Susan's strengths and areas for growth. They collaborated to set specific learning goals for Susan's professional development, aligning them with her needs and interests. Throughout their mentoring journey, Marilyn provided guidance and support to Susan. Drawing from her own experiences as an early education professional, Marilyn shared practical advice, resources, and teaching strategies with Susan. She encouraged Susan to reflect on her teaching practice, fostering critical thinking and self-evaluation. Marilyn also offered constructive feedback, highlighting Susan's strengths while providing actionable suggestions for improvement. Marilyn understood the importance of fostering Susan's professional growth and development. She encouraged Susan to engage in self-directed learning, recommending relevant books, articles, and professional development opportunities. They collaborated on lesson planning, brainstorming, creative ideas, and incorporating developmentally appropriate approaches. In addition, Marilyn encouraged Susan to network with other educators and participate in professional communities. He introduced Susan to relevant contacts and facilitated opportunities for collaboration with other teachers. This helped Susan build connection and expanded her professional support network. Throughout their mentoring relationship, Marilyn regularly checked in with Susan. They had scheduled meetings to discuss progress, address concerns, and provide ongoing support. Marilyn actively sought feedback from Susan, ensuring that the mentoring process was effective and meeting Susan's needs. She adjusted as necessary to accommodate Susan's evolving goals and aspirations. Marilyn's journey as a mentor to Susan showcased her application of the steps to be an effective mentor. By establishing a positive mentoring relationship, assessing Susan's needs and goals, providing guidance and support, fostering professional growth, maintaining open communication, Marilyn helped Susan thrive in her role as a new co-teacher. Marilyn's dedication and commitment to mentoring contributed to Susan's confidence and success in the early education program. When lead teachers take on the role of mentors for new teachers in an early education program, it brings significant benefits to both the mentors and mentees. Mentoring supports professional growth of new teachers by providing guidance, feedback, and collaboration. It also contributes to higher retention rates and job satisfaction among new teachers, creating a positive and supportive work environment. Mentoring promotes program continuity as lead teachers help new teachers align their practices with program goals. Additionally, knowledge sharing and collaboration enhances the collective expertise within the program. The impact extends to improved student outcomes as mentoring assists new teachers in developing effective instructional strategies. Mentoring also nurtures leadership skills in lead teachers, offering personal satisfaction as they witness the growth of their mentees. In summary, mentorship and early education programs foster professional development, retention, program continuity, knowledge sharing, improved student outcomes, leadership development, and personal fulfillment. Following these steps brought significant benefits to Marilyn in her role as a mentor. By establishing a positive mentoring relationship with Susan, Marilyn created a supportive and trusting environment for open communication. This allowed her to effectively guide and support Susan's professional growth. Marilyn's assessment of Susan's needs and goals helped her tailor her mentoring approach, addressing specific areas of improvement and providing personal guidance. Through ongoing guidance, feedback, and collaboration, Marilyn contributed to Susan's development as an effective educator. Marilyn's role as a mentor also allowed her to share her expertise and knowledge with Susan, enhancing her own leadership and teaching skills. By fostering a collaborative learning environment, Marilyn engaged in knowledge sharing and learned from Susan's fresh perspectives. Witnessing Susan's growth and success brought personal fulfillment and pride to Marilyn as she saw the impact of her mentoring on Susan's professional journey. Overall, following these steps not only benefited Susan as the mentee, also enriched Marilyn's professional development and satisfaction as a mentor. When a lead teacher becomes a mentor to new teachers, they take several initial steps to ensure a successful mentoring relationship. First, they should reflect on their own teaching experience to draw upon their expertise and lessons learned. Second, getting to know the new teacher and understanding their backgrounds and goals helps tailor the mentoring approach to their specific needs. Clear expectations should be set, and a mentoring plan should be collaboratively developed to provide a roadmap. Creating a supportive environment encourages open communication and fosters a sense of safety and trust. Sharing resources, knowledge, and instructional practices enhances the mentee's professional development. Encouraging reflective practices, offering constructive feedback, promote critical thinking and growth. Ongoing support and regular check-ins ensure the mentee's progress and address any concerns. By following these steps, lead teachers can establish a strong foundation for successful mentoring relationship with new teachers. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey exploring how to be a mentor in the early education program. We hope this podcast has provided you with valuable insights, practical steps, and inspiration to become an exceptional mentor. Remember, as a mentor, you have the power to shape the future of education by guiding and supporting new teachers or assistant teachers. Embrace the opportunity to lead by example, establish open communication, and build trust with your mentees. By fostering a supportive environment and sharing your knowledge and experiences, you can empower and uplift the next generation of educators. Together, let's continue to make a positive impact and create a brighter future for early education. Thank you for listening, and best of luck in your mentoring journey.
And that brings us to the end of this episode of the Teacher's Lounge. We're so grateful for your time and hope you found our discussion helpful and inspiring. Remember, you are doing an amazing job in the field of early education, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Until next time, take care, and we'll be back soon with more resources, insights, and inspirations to help you succeed. And don't forget to subscribe to our podcast and follow us on all our social medias to stay up to date on the latest happenings inside the lounge. Keep up the great work. We're cheering you on.